Okay, that's all I'm asking for. To make sure you're all right. Where's home at? Don't.
The United States Constitution says you have no right to stop me.
Yeah, I do.
All right?
Stop.
All right, I'll stop. I'll stop.
40, 27, 29 out of...
Them dogs. I got a warrant.
Huh? Do you?
I have a warrant.
Where at?
Don't. What the? Now, come on now. You know who I am. Don't my dog.
If he messes with you.
You kill that dog, you better kill me.
Okay.
You got no camera, dog. Now,
Yeah. Where you got a warrant out from? Where's your warrant at?
Damn little driving on spin a license, BOP.
Okay. You got it out of Leon? Or already tried a Leon?
Nope.
I was just stopping to see if you'd like a ride, to be honest with you.
Probably got a warrant on.
Well, they said negative out of our county. We're checking in Leon.
Well, man, don't put up your clock back. Y'all say negative. I'll see y'all in 1, 2, 3. I get it 4 days.
Okay, what happens in 4 days?
I've been told myself, man.
Okay. Well, you ain't free to go yet, so just hang on.
Okay. Well, what you got?
Waiting out a confirmation out of Leon. No.
Oh, what we got out of Leon, huh? Ain't got nothing one color, and you ain't got nothing to worry about, baby.
Well, you the one said you had warrants.
Yeah.
Okay. So you know you're going to have warrants, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, you all you gotta do is tell me that. All you gotta do is tell me your name. That's all I asked you to do.
No.
What do you own now? What do you drugs you own?
Drinking, I'm trying to, y'all interrupted me going back, taking my dog to
Mhm.
my girlfriend's house
Right. Okay.
and my son's grandma. If y'all want to get that much technical.
Okay.
Hang on. Let me get all worked up.
I couldn't remember if he was or just trying to figure out who he was. Well, I'm from around home. Of course, he wigged out on me, but it's all right.